We're here on an eerie and dreary Monday in Mr. Jeffrey's Algebra 1 class. Don't forget, hit like, hit subscribe, hit the bell. I'm going to try to talk all over the in class audience that seems to not want to do stuff, and then they're going to wonder why they're not going to do well tomorrow. We're doing our second review of polynomial operations because I've been told tons of times I do not review enough. All right, so part one. Okay, now this right here. Y'all also might need to go have a hearing check because y'all are 3 feet away from each other and you're yelling at like my friends. Like, all right. So look, this is 6s squared minus negative 2s. Okay, remember the minus negative is plus a positive. This becomes 8s squared. Okay. And same thing, we have negative 5s minus 3s. All right, well, this becomes negative 8s. Now, those two cannot combine because they are not the same exponent. Okay, they are the same variable, but they're not to the same power. All right, number two. We have 2 plus 4. Well, this is 6j to the third. There's no other j squareds. Yes. Go back over what? Oh, they need me to scroll over? The thing was they needed me to scroll over so they could see. Shh. I didn't realize those were connected there. We're waiting on people to copy stuff. All right. So that's the only squared. This is the only to the first. All right. So this is negative 6 plus negative 3. So this is negative 9. All right. Number 3, this is minus negative. Again, this is another plus positive. Let's do this in hot pink. So 7w squared. All right. Minus 5w minus 5w. 10w plus 8. All right. Now, each of these are with 4 points each. Okay. There's only 12 problems on the whole test. So take your time on this. There's no award for turning it in first or last. So y'all getting all these right? I get, yeah. What'd you get for number four? Yes, this should be 4z squared. I did not give us enough room to write right there, did I? All right, for those that care, I'll actually double check tomorrow to make sure that you have enough room to write in between the directions and the answer. So, for those that's thinking that they want to become a teacher, I would like to tell you don't, don't do it. All right, we go with four and five. All right. Hey, Snacks, what is a jack o' lantern's least favorite band? Smashing Pumpkins. All right, I'm going to set these up. Shh. I'm going to set these up both ways. All right. So again, either way, it doesn't matter which way you do this. You're going to end up with the same answer. Okay. I'm just happening to set it up both ways. You don't like either of the ways? How have you been doing it? Okay. If I saw it, it makes sense. May I see it right quick? Because you know there's people still copying it down. Come on, we have time. Okay, here's the problem. You're no. That's this is no. There. This is you're basically still doing double distributor property, just not setting it up the same way. Okay, so it's. Oh my goodness, life is great. Life is grand. All right, are we good with 6 and 7? Perfect. What? All right. Now, really, the only big difference between with 7 and 8 with the other ones is the fact that you get kind of bigger numbers. All right, nothing out of the ordinary with that. You just have to get bigger numbers. All right. Is everybody good with number 8? Anybody need more time? Need more time? Hmm. Shh. Good now? Okay. All right, so we're setting it up again both ways. It doesn't matter. Trying to hurry to get done. 2 y squared. Now, I know this isn't written in the box, but it's a lot of work right there, so I'm just going to let you have that. Huh? Yes. You only have one. You only have one of these on the test. That's Robert. All right. Are we all good with what was it? This 9? Need more time? Okay. Still have one or two that needs more time. It's okay. Do 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 do. And this dance break was brought to you by students need more time to write down the answers. Do 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 do. Bing, 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 da, bing, bing, ba, lick, chum, chum, pow. This point in time, again, if you hadn't noticed, my Manly Stanley is nicely decorated with my nice bee hall honey logo. I do have honeybees. Hoping to pull honey this next year. Just got to get them through the winter. All right. All right. Again, it doesn't matter. Uh, you need to pick which method you're doing, double distributive or box method. Please don't think you have to do both. Again, please don't think you have to do both. No, this is happening right now. Huh? Oh, I'm just, I am life choices. hmm no, because then they'll bring up stuff like back in 1995, Mr. Jeffries returned a video to video hot without rewinding. In 1999, Mr. Jeffries accidentally rented the promo movie of Aspen Extreme from a video store on Jordan Lane and never returned it. Yeah. Mr. Jeffries accidentally steps on the gas pedal as he enters a red light intersection while the light's on yellow. I am a horrible person. Yes, you're a senior. Hey, did you happen to bring that Chromebook back? Yeah. So I can't remember. I think it was in either the late '90s, early 2000s. Now that you got me thinking, running for president, um, Chris Rock had this movie where he ran for president, and Bernie Mac, yeah, and Bernie Mac was his brother, and that was his vice president. Okay, Bernie Mac gets like off of either the bus or the subway station, whatever, and people start coming up to him, and he just is like slapping them back and forth because he's a loan off, like he's a loan shark or a bail bondsman or something like that, does bond loans, and he's just smacking people left and right. And I was like, I love this guy. I think that was the first time I saw Bernie Mac, and I was like, I love this guy. He's so funny. I was like, that's the kind of person that I would be. Just Is everybody good with number 11? Okay, last one. Hmm? Where are they? I really wish y'all just saw what I saw. The student was trying to leave to go get something. The door was locked. They didn't realize it. They hit their head on the door. All right. Crazy thing about this, when you actually do this one, the middle terms actually cancel. All right. So that's the end of our review, even though I don't review a whole lot. If you haven't done so, hit like, hit subscribe, hit the bell. Stay farce. Good stuff. Good things. Roll Tide.